My name is Laura and I'm an environmental scientist and campaigner, and have recently just bought a house with my partner which we are moving into this year. And we were really excited actually. This is the first opportunity we've had together to make some green changes, and certainly looking at how we can help the renewable energy effort was a big thing that we wanted to focus on. So we have embarked on this journey with the Greener Energy Group. Really great to see the journey of actually finding them online, looking through the stuff that was there on the website, on social media, getting in touch with them, having a phone call. When Monroe came over, we knew that we were exploring solar panels and a battery, and it was great to be able to take them on a tour, find out all about that, and actually secure in what we were going to do. To actually look at this building, it's over 100 years old, it's a lovely little house in South Ayrshire, and we're looking at how we can help do that. And of course now we are excited that we have talked through all the options, and we are on our way to the install day where we're actually going to finally get this house up and running with renewable energy. I'm so excited because today is the install day for our solar panels and the batteries as well. The Greener Energy Group have just been great at setting this up, and today they are going on the roof. So we've got the scaffolders setting up now, we've got the roofers here, and there is going to be 12 of these 455 watt solar panels on the back of our house. It's just going to be great for helping us with energy independence, helping bringing down our bills, and helping us just contribute to creating more renewable energy here in Scotland. For years I've waited to be able to have solar panels, and it's great that now I have a house that has a roof that is perfect for getting them. I am absolutely buzzing, and I already can't wait to seeing what this does to our bills and how this changes over the months and years to come. I've been so excited to see how the solar panels have been over the last month that we've had them, and it's been really fun. So as soon as the team left, I was straight onto the app looking at all the different features and being able to see that even that afternoon we were generating our own renewable energy. And it's just been nice to see throughout the day how that changes. It's helped us even look at our energy use to work out when's the best time to be putting things on. And of course it's been exciting to see the batteries being filled. And now that we've had them a month, we've also been able to see that we're saving money off our electricity bills, and of course we are putting energy back into the grid, and we are now taking advantage of all the offers and deals that you get with good tariffs. We also took advantage of the Capital Credit Union financing options, because as a young couple in our 20s we didn't have all the money up front, but we were actually saying this is a great investment to help us begin saving money as well on electricity, but spread that cost. I would say just do it. The Greener Energy Group were really helpful with, and of course it didn't take up that much time. The install was just a day. I was able to actually work from home while a lot of it was happening, and so to me it's a no-brainer. And I'm also excited because this is just the beginning of the year, and we're coming into the sunniest months where I'm excited to see just how much electricity we can be able to generate.